Let's just try to install WADs on a Wii home, and when we install Chicken Inventory Master, and everything goes wrong.
Basically, WAD files are for
the channels. With the channels.
The custom channels are in the Wii module.
And what?
They're known as forwarders for the Wii, homebrew apps. So
also wants to qualify for the channel, and they're just basically the channels.
Yeah. So
this is .WAD extension.
We gotta go to the homebrew channel, and I showed you. You gotta install Wii Mod Lite. I didn't show you, but you just copy it to the app store. And you guys want some. So my mom came in the room, told us we're just getting more. So back onto the tutorial. You want to go to WAD Manager, and then I'm assuming you're using an SD card.
But if you're using a different device, you have to pick it.
So just go. You can press the D-pad to change. I'm just using an SD card. So I chose to put four WADs. I already have my menu, so I'm going to install Preloader as a WAD, even though I'll only use it once to install it properly. The Rickroll channel. I'm not going to edit a Rickroll one. That would be mean. And then this channel, so it's more easier to fix.
I always love doing stuff in the Wii menu more.
Yeah. So now you return to the load.
And I'm gonna copy the webcam to hide the IP.
Yep.
Do you like this little double webcam?
Yes. No IP for you, okay? Sorry, but we want security. We want to be secure, okay?
Hello, only. That's on.
So now you should probably see 3 more channels here. Wii Mod Lite, the Rickroll channel, and Preloader. Let's see.
And Rickroll. He only said he wasn't gonna. He said he wasn't going to edit it.
Oh, wait a second. It's not a Rickroll. It's a homebrew channel. Okay, I'm sorry. I wanted to be mean. Okay, so let's see what Wii Mod Lite is literally. All it does is take you to the channel faster. And when you exit it, so let me just read the second part to initialize. When you exit it, instead of going to the loader, it goes to the Wii menu. Pretty convenient.
And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye.